My name is Sudhakar Reddy. I'm the state trainer for Andhra Pradesh. So I'm dealing with the training completely. So I'll be explaining about the products as well as we have a team, and we'll be traveling to different locations across the state, and we will be training the distributors, and we'll be talking about the features, benefits, as well as the right usages of the products. Why? Because the products are different, as well as the product are completely the high quality products, and that requires a good training there. And today program is a completely different program. Earlier we never conducted such program. Why? Because we have launches, different product launches are there, but today we have a campaign actually. So this is a campaign called Color Your Diet campaign. So which means in our diet there are lots of colors. If we take fruits and vegetables, we have lots of colors like red or else green, as well as blue or purple, yellow, orange, and so even the purple color. So like that. So there are a number of colors are there. So these colors they have lots of benefits inside it. So the colors have lots of nutrients which are called as phytonutrients. Phyto meaning plant, and nutrients. The nutrients which are present in the plants are called as phytonutrients. And these phytonutrients has some thousands of health benefits in general. So, but generally, if we take the people, so we don't think of the colors, we don't think of the diet also. Mostly, especially in South Indian, we prefer only the rice as well as sambar, chutney, maybe one curry or two curries in a day, as well as some curds, as well as maybe now and then some fruits, I can say. But if you are not taking so lots of these fruits and vegetables, definitely we are missing lots of benefits also. Benefits in the sense like the nutrients. If you are not taking the nutrients, definitely we fall sick and will face lots of health challenges. So just to create awareness, today we have launched a campaign called Color Your Diet campaign. So that we can spread the message and we can create the awareness amongst all the people, so that when they can go back and when they can see the fridges as well as the table as well as the plates, so they can relate to their colors, and they can take different colors in their diets, so that they can get all the benefits from the colors. So that is a message we want to pass on to the our distributors as well as the customers also. And not only this, we are launching different types of products, and we have a big brand called Nutrition Wellness brand, that is Nutrilite is there. And Nutrilite manufactures all the different types of products and different types of colors also. Nutrilite products are manufactured from natural fruits and vegetables, so which does not have any artificial colors, which does not have any artificial flavors, feeds, preservatives. It is complete natural. So that when we take the natural products, so we get the benefits. Along with that benefits, we get the phytonutrient, that is color benefit also. Additional benefits also we'll be getting.